You're not gonna get rich off investing. I know y'all be seeing these videos that be like, "Pet, $100 each month into this ETF or this stock, and retire at 60 with $1 million." What if you don't make it to 60? A lot of us can die tomorrow. It's crazy if you think about it. So I'm not telling you not to invest, but the goal should be is to maximize your income so you can have enough money to make it worth it. Because most people, they're investing like $10, $100. That's not even enough to see the full profits. And I'm not telling you to go out there and just spend money and not save anything. We all know profits aren't guaranteed. That's why you should do your due diligence and research the company that you're trying to invest in. But there could be instances where you invest in a company for years and then just go bankrupt and you lose, like your stock just is worthless. And investing takes time. Most people are in it for now and not for the long run. You gotta be in it for the long run. You gotta go for the ups and downs of the company. Your stomach gonna be hurting. You're not gonna be able to eat. You're gonna be throwing up and junk. That's why I hate crypto. I ain't even in crypto. That shit's so annoying. But yeah, it's a long game. Don't go into investing expecting to get rich off it if you don't have enough capital. But I know you should use it. You should still invest and save your money. Don't just spend it randomly. But invest it so you can beat inflation. Because inflation tripping. I don't know what the inflation rate right now, but I know there's like stocks and ETFs that you can put it into so it can beat inflation. You just have to do your research and due diligence. That's what I'm telling you. You have to do research. You can't just spend it on a random company because you could do it and just lose your money basically. So yeah, that was my short video, but focus on maximizing your income first. Getting debt out the way, everything. Then you can aggressively invest in these stocks and everything in real estate.